Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Egg Lollipop. Take 3 hard-boiled eggs, boiling them 10 to 12 minutes, then peel off the shells. Simply grate the eggs. Add 1 chopped onion, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, pinch of black pepper powder. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon chili flakes, optional. Half teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Add 2 green chilies or as per taste. Mix all together with gentle hands. Grease your palm with oil. Take small amount of portion and make balls as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all. Now take 1 egg. Add pinch of salt. Pour some milk. Beat well. Take breadcrumbs. Dip the ball into the egg mixture. Coat with beaten eggs. Now coat with breadcrumbs. Do this to all. Keep in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Heat up the oil. Drop egg lollipops in medium hot oil. Flip with help of fork. Keep flipping, keep cooking. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Remove it. Dish out. Serve hot with ketchup. Insert the toothpick like a lollipop. Do try this delicious egg lollipop recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.